Hello guys, break muna tayo sa ating civil service exam topic. So, i-congratulate po muna natin yung ating mga passers for the nursing licensure examination na ginanap last November 2023. So, naglabas na nga po ng result ang PRC last December 2, and out of 32,203 examinees ay 25,761 po yung nakapasa. So, the following are the list of top 10 nurses. So, congratulations to our new nurses in the Philippines.